Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the quick buy and sell feature on Poloniex. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide on how to use the quick buy and sell feature on Poloniex using the Poloniex app itself. The first thing you need to do is to launch the Poloniex app on your mobile device and log into your account if prompted. Then from the home screen, go ahead and check for the option where it says trending, gainers, new, and losers. Now you see that under it you have automatic pairs for you that you can definitely select from BTC, CZC, and ETH/USDT, XRP/USDT. So you can just go ahead and click on view more to view more options from this drop down menu. So go ahead and tap on any of the markets that you want to combine for quick sell. So this is BTC/USDT, and I click on that. So once you click on it, this is definitely what you are going to find. Now under you have buy, you have sell. So you can just go ahead and click on the buy and the sell option. Quick buy for the buy, you click on the buy button for quick buy and click on sell button for quick sell. So let's say I want to click on the buy button. So after clicking on the buy tab, it takes you right into this window where you can now buy and sell. So under here where you have buy, you can now proceed to enter the amount that you want to buy. Okay, so enter the amount of cryptocurrency that you want to buy in here, and of course set your limit. You can set this, that's how the trading options. So add a limit, market stop limit, trading stop, stop market, post only, just anyhow you want to do it. And once you're done, click on buy BTC and head over to sell. To if you want to sell, add your limit, the price, the amount, set the market, and click on sell BTC. So there's no option for you to just do a quick buy, specifically quick buy or quick sell. Just follow through the process manually to buy and to sell. And that's pretty much the process. So after completing the transaction, navigate to your wallet or account section to verify that your cryptocurrency balance has been updated accordingly. And you can also check the order history or trade history section to view the details of your recent transaction in your account settings. So that's pretty much it. You can go by this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.